Hello there, it's Louise here at Confidental Smiles. I'm the treatment coordinator here, and I just wanted to explain briefly what a treatment coordinator does. So I'll go through meeting new patients to existing patients to go through any treatment that they may be considering to have, anything from implants to braces through to whitening. Sometimes it's just nervous patients, people that haven't been to the practice or to a dentist in a long time. So we can sit back into my small room, we can have a chat over a tea or coffee and make you feel at ease, and as I said, go through any questions or pricing that you may have. It's in a completely non-clinical environment with myself. I'm not a trained dentist or nurse, however I have had plenty of training to go through all the options with you. I've recently had braces treatment here at the practice, so I have lovely straight teeth thanks to our dentist Vishal, and he's also helped me with my whitening and some anti-wrinkle treatment. I look forward to meeting you. Just drop me an email at info@confidentalsmiles.co.uk or call me on 01252 877 309, and I look forward to hearing from you soon. Take care, bye.